Okay, so this user file, open the user file. In user file, we have saved the data as well as we have listed the data. Data was going to the store and it was coming back from the store. So what we have discussed is, we have discussed like inside the React, data user interaction will happen with the React. React will collect the data using useState, and after that, React will call the useSelector and useDispatch. Using useDispatch, React will dispatch this data in the form of object to reducer. Reducer will capture the data, and after that, it will check what is the action. The action is add user. So the new user will get added inside the array, and again it will return the list of users whenever we call the user list function. In user file you have seen, we have saved the data as well as we have listed the data. Next work is some more in this file. We need to delete the data as well as we need to try to access this data in some other file also. Because your data is available under the store now. If the data will go to the store, from a store we can access anywhere. Right? Data has gone to the store. So the store data we can access anywhere. For example, if I come to my page and I write here a name called Alex and save it, and write one more name called Ganesh and save it. Okay. Now I got two record, Alex and Ganesh. Both are under the store. So if the data has gone to a store, then what we can do, from a store, we can fetch this data and we can display in the dashboard also. Dashboard is for that purpose only, to display all the data. Which data you store keep under the user file. This will go to the Redux under the store. From a store, we can access in this file, and at the same time, we can access in other file also. Okay, that is the benefit of your Redux. Now first try to clear the text box and we'll delete from here, and then we'll go to the dashboard page. So how to clear the text box, that you know already. After dispatching the action, you need to call the again pick name function, and in that you need to pass the clear. So that what will happen? It will become empty. And at same time, create one more variable to display the message. Let msg update msg equal to useState empty. Create this variable. This line you can comment here saying like fetching data from a store. Fetching data from a store. This line you can write fetching data from a store. This line you can write a comment. Object creation of useDispatch. Object creation of useDispatch.
200 ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ತಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು 203 ಹೊತ್ತು ಆಡಿ 30 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹಾಕೋದಪ್ಪ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ದಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ, ಕಲರ್ ದಾಡೋದು ಒಂದು 50 60 ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹತ್ತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹತ್ತ ಹಾಕೋದು.
Okay, so hope created. Message the variable empty, name you made empty. Before making name empty, you need to update the message and write there call full name, sent to a store, sent to a store. Full name sent to a store. Now come down. We need to print this image variable and clear the text box. So while printing the variable, where we can print it? Okay, below the text box we can print. After the paragraph, you can print that. In next paragraph, MSG class name, text center, text danger, and then clear the text box also using the value property. Full name. So it will clear the text box value and then data will be listed down. After that, we'll need to work on delete part. Take now, text box is getting clear. So we can go here, add one more user. Save it. So Mohit sent to a store. Mohit came in the list. Working till now. Saving listing plus message. Save plus list. List plus message plus empty. Save list plus message plus empty. Working for one person. See, we have added this line today, and we have added this line, 2 line today. Even I have sent you yesterday complete SRC folder also. Video is also there. Okay, next after this, we have a next task of deleting the data. Next task we have, when we delete the record here, it should say Ganesh deleted successfully. Ganesh deleted from the store. So how it will work? First you write a function delete const delete user equal to delete user equal to delete user equal to, you will keep inside index and one more called name of the user, which user you are going to delete. Index and name both. Then only we can make a message particular name deleted successfully. Create here next user data that we are going to dispatch. A variable user data equal to a type, property will be same always, type colon delete user, delete, not delete, user function name you give, write here remove user, U capital, remove user. Next property call user index colon index. User data equal to type colon remove user, user index colon index. Okay, remove user. Now after that, again you will generate the message here, update message saying like name deleted from store, deleted from store. Before that, you need to dispatch the action. You will call the dispatch function and under the dispatch function, you will pass the user data. So let's complete this delete user part. Okay, so delete user function is ready. You will come down under the listing part. They will call the delete user. Using bind method, will pass two parameter index and name. The remove user, U is capital. Okay, so come down, call the delete user function. We have a button here. In that button click, we can call on click delete user dot bind. This comma index comma name, not name directly. You will name, because name is a direct property we can add here. Name. So this way. So delete functionality we have not written as of now. Okay. We have to write the delete functionality under the reducer. Let's go to the next now. So delete user function, hope you have written and you call for the button click. Next, after that, you can see here what property you are dispatching. For delete purpose, we are dispatching the property called type and then user index. So inside the type, we have the value called remove user and user index is holding the index. So let's go to the reducer. Inside the reducer, Come to the next call, user reducer. If action.type triple equal to the remove user, then come down right there, all user dot splice user index action.user index comma 1. All user dot splice action.user index comma 1. Okay. All user dot splice action.user index comma 1. Now let us check delete is happening or not. I'll delete Ganesh. Okay, page need to refresh. Because when we do the changes in that file, Alex added Aji added Mono added Ganesh added delete Aji deleted delete Mono deleted. So it is saving and deleting both. Action.type so delete is happening. I'll send you this code from the reducer file and I will share you the code of user file also delete function. Then I'll send you the button code also. You can try it and see should work. Now the same data has to come on dashboard. Okay, what data you are storing under the store, which data you are sending to a store, this data should come to the dashboard as well. Even if you go to other component and come back, your data will be here. There is no problem, it will not lose at all till you will not refresh the page. But in fact, if you want to access this data in some other file, we can access or not. So we can go to the dashboard and access, and we can see we can access it. All right, so we can, the working till here, come to the dashboard file. In dashboard file again, import useDispatch. Use dispatch import useDispatch from React Redux. Import useDispatch from React Redux. Next, after this, use the dispatch. Why we need? We need useSelector. We need to fetch the data. We don't want to post the data. So we require useSelector. Then come inside, write a constant all user equal to useSelector. useSelector. Inside that, you will write here a state, then a state dot state dot state dot what we have written in the previous example, user list. So you can call here state dot user list. Again, it's fetching the data from a store. Data from a store. Fetching data from a store. Fetching data from a store. Now after that, come down and create another row. Create the next row. Empty4. Inside that, create the 3. Call hyphen entry hyphen 3. Keep inside call h3 user list. Write all user dot map. Name of the user and index of user. Return tag with name, and here key equal to index. Class name P3 border. All the users will be listed. How many users will store in the user file? It will go to the store, and from a store it will come back and list here. There also you can list, here also you can list, because data is under the centralized place. From there we can access anywhere. Okay, so hope ready. Check now. List is coming. Both the users, 3 users we have, so all 3 users are coming here. If you add any new user, that will also come. You can add any new user under the. You can add any new user under the user file. That will also come here. I added Deepak. Go to the dashboard. Deepak should be here. Right. I'll add here call. Raj. Save. Raj is here. If I go to the dashboard, Raj should come there. Able to access or not? Go to access. So if the data will not go to the center place, you cannot access in both the places. That represent data is going to store somewhere. Data is going to go down. Then from go down, we are able to access both the places. Okay, so this user and dashboard is working. Next, we need to work on next component. Next, we need to work on next component. So do you need to share the SRC folder? यूजर में जाके डेटा लिख लीजिए फिर आएगा सबमिट करिए यूजर फाइल so there you are calling for user list is on you go to that file download user list on user problem user problem so bring in the data here forming the map data control in map you have to write Yeah, how many times I came here it's nothing but one working after 2 days, I will not listen if you say something because my duty will be finished. Now my job is to help you out, not able to ask anything. Here are the elements in the city. What is that showing? In that file, this file, user yes. What action you are getting from here? Everything should do. Remove RE, remove PE, remove user. User not slowly, then user index when user describes user data is passed there after you check like it now you know user indeed any user where you are calling you are calling here on click equal to user dot file this index and then user name okay now double click on remove user double click on remove user what is there copy yes go to that file again double click on remove paste here now user dot type triple equal to remove user then all user dot html user index comma one it should work still refresh the page plus refresh it. Now click some data add one more village will go for the body of use this one and after we use आप किस तरह के हो गया पहले यूज करेंगे user में जाइए user मीटिंग है कैसी आया ये बात हिंदी चलिए और डैशबोर्ड में आता है कभी बोलियो okay so hope deleting let's come next you are able to add as well as you are able to display in different page now this data you can access anywhere throughout the project in any component you can call this line which line this line and you can access the data with the help of useSelector okay next we need to work on this file product management so come to the product page again In product reducer, first you modify something. In product reducer, we have to modify 1-2 lines. That code was written in user reducer. That state and action as a parameter, and again here object dot assign this point. You required this much. Okay, so go to the which page? Product reducer and call there. State and action and object dot assign. Object A will be capital. Object O will be capital. Okay, done. Come to the product.js file now. In product.js file, we have total 3 text boxes. So 3 variable and one more message variable. 4 variable we have to create. So in product.js file, import React and then use state. Use state. Use state from React. Use state from React. Use state from React. Next, after that, come down below and create the let full name, not full name, p name, comma pick name equal to use state empty next let p price pick price let pqty use state okay. One more variable is required. Let msg update MSG. Use state empty. So this all happened for the taking the value. Now we'll go to the HTML and we'll make those all clear. For the text box, first text box on change. Pick the value of text box. Pick name. Value equal to p name, so that it will clear also later. Same way, call for the second text box. This example, you are trying to pick the value of text box, state management work. Pick name, pick price, p price, p price. Then after that, if QTY, PQTY. Then after this paragraph, we will write another paragraph to display the message. MSG, class name, text hyphen danger, text hyphen center. Red color message will come in the middle of the text. So once ready till here, you can let me know. We can go ahead with the button save and something next. Okay, so hope ready till here. Next, come to the save button. You will call a function on click. On click, call a function called save. This function is not exist. We have to create it. Save function. On click equal to write the function called save. Okay, so write a function called save now. Save const save equal to under the save function under the save function again we'll create a variable product data equal to type. Okay, product data equal to product data equal to first you will add the property called type, add product, comma details colon details colon one object. Details will also be as a object only because name, price, quantity, three property you have. So in that you will add call name colon p name. Okay, after that price colon p price colon quantity colon pqty quantity colon pqty semicolon is not required here. Then this all the data we need to dispatch. Product data we need to dispatch. Product data we need to dispatch. Okay, ready? Then create the object of dispatch now. Const dispatch equal to, we have not call on the top useDispatch. We can write it first. Import on the top useDispatch. Import useDispatch, comma useSelector. useDispatch and useSelector first import on the top. Then create the object of useDispatch. Then create the object of useDispatch. Okay, use dispatch imported. Now call here const book list, product list also, all product equal to use selector. Inside a state will come, then a state dot product list you need to call. Dispatch and all product. Just write this both. Using use dispatch will dispatch the action. Okay, ready? Added dispatch and selector, use selector. Come down. Using use dispatch now, this product data we need to send to the reducer that is under the store. Okay. After sending the data, you have to generate the message using update message, pname sent to a store, pname sent to a store. Okay, then after that, clear the text box. Call the peak name, set as a empty. Again, call one more call. pick price, set up as empty. Next call, pick QTY, again set up as empty. Pick name, pick price, pick QTY. Right, so hope added. Next, after this, we need to print the length of this product. All product variable we have. We can print their length below at this place. Before product, we can print the length. Before product, we can print the length of product variable, that is called all product dot length. This line we are written. This line is to create the object of dispatch. This line is to get the data from the store and keep under the all product. And this is to send the data to a store. Now all product dot length. All product dot length. All product dot length. Okay, so completed the product.js file. Next work, we need to go to the product reducer. There we have to capture the action type as a add product and then details. Then go to the product reducer, write a condition inside. We'll come down here and we can write a condition if x1 dot type double equal to not triple equal to add product, then all product dot push function you have to use here. Concat will not work. All product dot push x1 dot details. x1 dot details.
For deleting, can we use pop?
Pop will delete from the last. But what will happen? User can delete anyone. He will click on third and it will delete last. What will be present? You will delete the one record. That record will remain same and it will delete the last record. User need to write an email to customer support saying that I was deleting the first and by mistake it's got deleted last. Then customer support will reply, no, it's not your mistake, it's a mistake of developer. They have used pop method. If you delete anyone, it will delete the last value. Okay, I wrote it. All product dot push x1 dot details. What will happen? It will get added inside the array. Save the file, refresh the file, add the new product, save it. See, length is increasing or not. The length should increase. Now we can check once, refresh it, enter any product name, Apple 100 rupees, quantity 10, save it. Length is increasing here. Mango price 200, quantity is 5. Save. Mango length is increasing. Check now, length is increasing or not? Increasing. आप लोग का उधर increasing length? Huh? Yes, no, should come in chat. Is it happening or not happening? Length should increase. If the length is increasing, then we can create the list here now. That represent your data is saving plus it's returning the length. Now you can display the list here easily, and then we can write a functionality for delete. So in this file, which file? Product reducer, we have very simple code. Come to the product file again, directly enter the T body. Under T body, you will use the map function, all product dot map, all product dot map, p name, not p name, p info, comma index. We'll write call return tr. Return tr. You can follow here. index. Write the TD. Index is okay. We can print the index. Then we can write the next TD. pinfo.name. pinfo.name. Next TD. pinfo.price. Next TD. pinfo.quantity. And you will have a button in the last. TD button delete. Class name btn hyphen danger btn hyphen sm. So it should give us the list of product that we are storing inside. Okay, list is happening. List is coming. Now possible to do the delete functionality. Check now quickly list is coming or not. Next we need to write the delete function. Hope list is working. Write the delete function again. On button click, we can call the delete product. On click equal to delete product dot bind this comma index comma pinfo dot pname. pinfo.name. Pass this all under the bind function. Delete product.bind index pinfo.name. Okay, let's go ahead. Now write a function called delete product. Delete product. In delete product again you will write here const delete product will be similar index comma pname index comma name. Write here one product data type as a remote product and then p index colon index p index colon index p index colon index. Then I will call here update msg. There will write name plus deleted from store. Write this delete product function and you can add one remove product action in that file, product reducer. Okay, let's come to that reducer now. Oh, dispatch we need to do. Dispatch. Product data. We'll go there now in reducer file, product reducer, and write one more if xn dot type triple equal to remove product, then all product dot splice xn dot p index comma 1. xn dot p index comma 1. So it will delete the product also. Next one work will be for you. In dashboard, you need to display this product. In dashboard, you need to display this product. In dashboard, we need to display this product, right? Possible. Try कीजिए. And then one more day will sit on first, not first, 2nd January, Monday. Monday will sit again to complete the remaining functionality. That is called API data, getting from the API and giving to Redux and displaying in the dashboard. You got error, above error, because you have not print the variable. Which variable? MSG variable you have not printed anywhere. MSG variable, you should print it, then that error will not come. We have printed here. Tomorrow only project class. Tomorrow only project class at 12 p.m. 12 to 1:30. Okay, then you can display the data in home dashboard. Possible? Yes. Okay, that it. So you understood. Try that. Okay. Display the data in where? In the dashboard. Delete is happening or not? Happening. Delete should happen. Delete should happen. Delete is happening. Now whatever the data you store here, this data should come under the dashboard inside the 9. Under the 3 name of the user will come. Under the 3 name of the user is coming. Under the 9 there should be one table. In that table this product list should come. You can try that and then see you on tomorrow again 12 o'clock. And after that, next Redux one more class on Monday.